fingertips, gently brushing down my skin. What's too fresh from deep within? Syndrome. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring Hurela hair. They sent me this wig. This is the box that the wig came in. Standard packaging, a wig cap, a crochet hook, a little headband, which was really cute, and a satin bag. So basically that's all that came in their packaging, and let's get started. This install is going to be super easy. I started off on freshly washed hair. I did do a mini big chop like 2 months ago. So yeah, like 2 months ago. So I'm gonna just put the clips of this wig onto the area. It will work even better if you have some cornrows right there being like acre braids, but I did go through a little trial and error because I wanted my leave out to be minimal, so I did have to go back in and like part out my leave out a little bit smaller. But I left the video for it to play so you guys can see everything that I went through. I'm just trying to find an area in my hair to put the combs, and this is how it's looking. This wig looks so natural. It looks really, really natural. So I'm just on-braiding my hair, and I realized that the leave out was too big, so now I'm parting it down a little bit smaller. And right where I'm parting, you could actually just go in and do like some anchor braids, and that will work even better if you're planning to wear this to go out. I'm clipping the little leave out part up, and I just push my hair underneath, but as I said, you can braid it. And there's also a comb that you could stick into the sides. Once it's gotten to your liking, you're gonna go ahead and part your leave out down the middle. If you wanted to do a side part, you will position the wig onto the side, but we're doing it down the middle. So I'm just using a rat tail comb to straighten up that line. I did go in with a little bit of QP elastic hair gel and also my edge control. So I'm just parting out the area how I want it to lay, and I'm gonna go in with my edge control first. I'm using the watermelon edge booster. I'm putting that all over my edges, and then I'm gonna sleek that down with an edge brush. Do you miss me? I still feel your fingertips, gently brushing down my skin. What's too fresh from deep within? I realized I wasn't liking the way that the wig was laying. I needed it to be a little bit closer to my leave out, so I just unclipped it a little bit and brought it closer to the leave out area. I recommend that you have it close. That's going to make it look even more natural and not have a little gap. And that looks totally different. That looks really, really nice. You can see a difference. Oh, it's like pulling on that side, and it's nice and snug on the other side. So just bring it up close to your leave out, and then voila. It makes it look so seamless. So now I'm just putting that gel I told you before, smoothing it in a bit. And then I'm just taking the hair and I'm rolling my natural hair together with the wig, and this is what makes it look so natural. Having the hair rolled together like that makes it seamless. So I'm doing that all around my leave out area. She'd say changed a bit, can't feel these memories in the washer, so why bother? Oh, why bother? Why? No, she'll never ever feel the same.
while she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny, oh, deny. Deny, oh, deny. You and I.
And literally this makes it look so natural. This looks like my real hair, and I'm just going in and fixing up the edges just to make sure they're really nice. I feel like that's the only thing that you really have to pay attention to, is making sure that your edges look good. And this is how it's looking. My hair texture is a little bit different than this wig, so I did go ahead and tease the hair out a little bit with my fingers, and this gave it some more frizz to match my natural hair even more. And I prefer bigger hair when it comes to kinky curlies. So this is basically the wig. It was super quick to do. And if you guys want to check out Hurela hair, their link will be down below in the description box for this exact wig. This wig is low maintenance because, child, you just throw it in your head and go. If you're detangling sections, that's just normal. That's normal for your natural hair. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm just going to play the end of the video with some music. I did go ahead and spray some Erickaj silken sheen on the hair. So yeah.
Phantom kisses tickle you so. Highly chills whenever the wind blows at night. Take it down at the knees when your sight falls on me. And I left upon with your taste buds, so she'll never persuade one to forget me for her. So I bother. Oh, she'll never ever feel the same inside. I'm always gonna say my name. Your eyes close just to see my face while she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny, oh, deny. Deny, oh, deny. You and I, we stay in denial.